They're looking for survivors. One man says his nieces, 2 and 2.5, are dead. A series of Israeli airstrikes in Gaza, one killing 90, according to the Gaza Health Ministry. Israel had declared the area a safe zone. A hospital worker says they were overwhelmed.
Now we are unable to deal with any more cases because all the hospital beds are full.
That brings the total dead to more than 38,000. The target, the head of Hamas's military wing, Mohammad Deif. He's been described as a ghost, evading at least 7 previous Israeli assassination attempts. He's the main architect of the October 7th attack that killed 1,200 people.
If he is dead, it might signal that Hamas might be willing to compromise.
A former U.S. advisor on Israeli-Palestinian negotiations says the 2014 conflict ended after Israel killed senior Hamas leaders, but he stresses Deif's death isn't confirmed. Hamas denies it.
Mohammad Deif.
Even Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu is couching his language. He's still vowing to eliminate Hamas. The Palestinian Authority in the West Bank is now loudly criticizing the terrorist group. They've been floated as a potential successor to govern Gaza. Makovsky says Netanyahu won't allow it.
His base has some very hardline elements that don't want to hear the word PA, Palestinian Authority. But the defense establishment thinks really this, I think, is the only way to go.
Thousands of Israelis marched calling for a ceasefire to return hostages. And Hezbollah in Lebanon continues its attacks without a Gaza ceasefire. A deal would solve both. Even after Deif's reported death, Hamas says they've not withdrawn from talks. The question, has enough happened for one to take place? Nathaniel Dove, Global News.